Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
He has a two.
Got a two.
And one foot, one more. Fuck. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world.
It's still a rattly piece of crap.
Oh my god.
Evening guys and girls. This is not clickbait. You can read the title. Yeah, it is happening. I mean, what, 5.5 years ago?
Yeah, 5.5 years ago we started pretty much well, it wasn't here.
Yeah. Kenny and I just talked about, well, we were always doing car stuff, so it was always a case of, I liked videography. We both loved cars, and Kenny just pushed me to be like, well, why are we not doing a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
So it started off, bit of fun.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't realise we're cousins, so we are actually
good point, yeah.
related.
Family,
Yeah.
But not only that, we've been friends before all this
Yeah.
and stuff. Do you know what I mean? I pretty much got you into the cars and stuff.
Yeah, it is. And I remember the first time you pulled up in your Mark II CRX, TSW
Yeah.
Venoms. That's what sold us. So yeah, I got you to thank for getting me into the modified car scene.
Yeah.
So yeah, cars really brought us together.
Yeah.
So start off, bit of a hobby, and we'll just see how it goes. And then thanks to your guys' support, we went from doing our own builds to featuring some unbelievable, some of the cars we've driven
Yeah.
over the past few years have been.
The trust that you guys have given us, giving us your pride and joy. You know, we've had things worth silly money. You know what I mean? Stuff that we couldn't even imagine owning ourselves.
And for me, the sentiment, some of the stories that you guys have behind the cars, I wouldn't let anyone touch me. You trust us enough to do it. It is absolutely mind-blowing. But back then, it feels like we were a lot younger. Life was a lot simpler.
I felt a lot younger then.
Yeah, you were a lot younger.
Yeah, I'm grey, I know.
But yeah, life was a lot simpler. I mean, we were both single.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not really a care in the world. Your daughter Taylor was a lot younger.
Yeah, she was a lot younger, so. But yeah, it's like I said, it is what we've said on the thumbnail. I will be leaving Accelerate, unfortunately. Yeah, it's been a tough decision, but I think for the channel to progress and give you guys content, because at the moment it's awkward for us to film. It's obviously you've changed jobs. I've obviously got my commitments with my daughter, my fiance. Do you know what I mean? The house.
Yeah. Grown up stuff.
Yeah. So and obviously we get a limited time to film.
Yes, we do.
So.
And that's, yeah, as life gets more and more complicated, that's our lives. We've got very different lives. We're very different people. We've got very similar hobbies.
Yeah.
But life has just gone
two separate ways.
Yeah.
It has. Like I said, we had a chat about this last week. We sat down and had a good chat about it first. Like I said, we don't want to come across as any animosity and stuff. Do you know what I mean? We're still family.
Yeah.
So we can't let this ruin anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, this, like I said, I just want to thank everyone for the support for us over the last 5.5 years, and obviously moving forward. But yeah, it's just come to a point of I can't really spend as much time anymore. Obviously, like I said, you were the time, and I've chucked a lot of money at my car. Don't get me wrong, I've really enjoyed it.
Bankrupted yourself.
Yeah, I'll be honest.
Numerous occasions.
I've, like I said, I put 40 or 50 grand into content, trying to create content for you guys.
Yeah.
Obviously, everyone thinks we're earning loads of money off YouTube. We ain't.
Yep.
So yeah, it's just come to a point of my priorities have changed. I'm going to get married in a few years, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's come to that point.
It is.
Yeah, it is unfortunate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
like I
because
said,
obviously we started it with the greatest intentions. It's
yeah.
how it's grown. We've bounced off each other. I've
Yeah.
wanted to quit many a times. You've talked me out of it.
Yeah, that's
We've
it.
supported each other, but we genuinely think this is the best for the channel and for you guys. Because when there were talks of stopping it all together, and it was just, we couldn't do it to you guys because the support and the people we've met.
This is it, and like when you said last week, you're going to start your own, and I was like, no, hang on a sec. Do you know what I mean? I think you need to take this over.
Yeah.
And push it further. Hopefully it'll go all the way. And
Yeah.
this is the plan. So
I suppose the next question: what is going to happen with the channel? It is going to continue. I'm going to continue to do features. I'm going to continue to try and build my own cars. But like Kenny said, he will be there in every other video if I do need help.
Yeah, I've said
you're usually
that.
the first person I go to.
Yeah, well,
so.
like I said, if you're in the garage and stuff, you will still see me popping out. I'm not going anywhere. I'll still attend the odd shows and stuff because I still, still something I do.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I said, still come and say hello, but also keep following and just keep the support up, and yeah.
Yeah. It just feels weird. We planned it. I've had a manic day today, but it's only now when we sat down and thought, right, let's come to it. It just feels really weird.
Yeah,
but
it is. Like I said, we've had some good times. We've had some good memories. Like I said, built some mad stuff.
Yeah.
The Astra's actually gone through like 3 different owners since I sold it. Everyone's scared to death of it.
That's one that will stick with me. Each build you've done has been crazy in its own way.
Like the Civic, I was messaged the other day, the EB3, obviously you guys have been following us, know about the EB3. That's still racing around tracks, do you know what I mean? And
it's weird, like in this garage, we just 2 random guys, not mechanics or anything like that. I just thought, we'll have some fun with this.
And it's a competitive car, so as I say, we've done some mad stuff, but like I said, stuff will still be happening, but...
And I almost feel like, not that I've got a point to prove, but because it's our thing that we built, I'm almost like, well, I can't let it fail now. I'm like, I've got to do it to prove to you. They're like, we can keep it. I know. Crap.
But like I said, I'm still there to support him, family-wise, as well as doing this.
Yeah.
So, but like
and I know I've got support from you guys as well. So yeah, all I can say is please keep the support. Obviously, there's been gaps in the videos and stuff like that, but there will be.
Yeah, this is the reason
now.
there's been gaps in it. Like I said, us trying to get together and film's been an absolute nightmare. Cause,
ironically, because of life again.
This is it. Like I said, that's the issue that it has been. It's just manic. Like I said, I have Taylor 2 weekends a month.
Yeah,
and I can only film 3 Sundays a month.
Yeah,
so it's not fair on her as well. I've missed a lot of time with her. In that sense, so she's gonna be a teenager next month. I know, so
and I can't even look after myself.
That's it. So yeah,
it's weird, but I feel like it's like the last time. But I was gonna say just keep commenting, subscribing.
Yeah.
For the lack of content that's been now, I promise I'll make it up to you. And like I said, I've almost got a point to prove to myself and for Kenny as well, so I will do my very best.
Yeah, like I said, we pushed it all the way, and like I said, I still want that V8 Vantage.
Yeah, we got that in writing,
But no, as I said, hopefully it just keeps growing and keeps doing what it's doing.
Well, I'm not going to stop because I thoroughly enjoy what I do and the people I've met and that, so
I'm still going to be doing the Accelerate competition stuff with a friend of mine. But obviously, we're trying to sort of find details and stuff going on in the background and stuff. So keep an eye out on that for us, please. Obviously, like I said, if we can start building up the cars, we'll be seeing them on the channel.
Yeah, it'll work quite well, actually.
We still help each other out in that sense, which is great. So, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
We can just keep growing, but just a little bit apart,
Yeah, side by side. But
side by side.
Parallel, but not,
parallel. That's what we
different lanes.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah.
So, yes, apologies for the absence, but this is why, as you can say, I hope you can appreciate it for good reason.
Yeah, like I said, we've been trying to sort out to find the details, haven't we?
Yeah. So I really don't know how to end. It just feels weird, but yeah.
Well, I'm going to do the like, comment, subscribe because it's my last
take it away, Chris.
Maybe like I said, any other ones, but like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and he'll see you in the next one.
Boom!